Me here just tried to disassemble an old king size mattress. You try to transport these bloody things, which is almost impossible. I'm going to take the device apart. Use a knife, use one of these. Something different. The first one was used last. I think how they make the device. Yeah, holes in there, layers of there's springs in there too. So I'm going to take that apart, make the thing a bit lighter and portable to get rid of. K570. Just for the entertainment, it's going to be a boring video, but whether I'm posting it, I'm not sure. There you go. Two sets of springy pads, foam filler casing. That's all that's in a king size mattress. That's £2.5 grand worth. Lasted 2.5 years, $100 per year. It's not too bad. Minimize the mattress, taking it apart. King size. Oh, actually you can get a shot of the label. Details of the mattress, GR Luxury. Probably bought one 96, 97. It served us well. Ready to be compactized. I found another serial number here on the back. Design Meubleux 135755. I minimized the mattress in 3 pongles. And then I have to get rid of these two things. And I have to get rid of these, so I'll call them up. So as I may have said in the other part of the video, mattresses are a pain to get rid of. But you can minimize it, so I got one inner spring device out. It can go to be recycled in a steel. That one I'm going to strip down on video shortly, and that's the canvas which came out of this spring part of this device. It's not a bad idea to put some safety glasses on just in case something pops out of the device. I'll probably fast forward some of this, but we'll keep the camera on here and we'll see how we get the device into pieces. We end up with 3 pongles which are manageable and can be put in the car for disposal. Thanks for watching.